Oi, dickhead. Watch this, right? Watch this. I'm gonna blow on your toys. Hey, son, how's it going? You alright? No, don't mind me, lad. I'm a friend of your dad's. It's alright. You don't have to be scared.
Once there was a way
I'm gonna blow on your toys again.
to get back homeward.
Sorry, pal. I'm really asthmatic.
Once there was a way.
Who are you telling to shush, you cheeky little bastard? Gonna mess up your fucking bed now. How'd you like this, you little cunt? Now I'm just gonna stare at you while you sleep, because I'm not weird, am I? I'm a grown man in your bedroom and your parents don't even care. This just proves how much you love your fella. They don't! Surely this is a bit of a fucking hint, for fuck's sake. Oh, what's fucking happening, dickhead? Look! Look at your fucking screen! And now the fella hides under the bed when the dad comes in. It's fucking textbook! It's textbook! John, I am almost positive that I saw Pervy Pete from down the road walk into your house last night.
Once there was a way to get back homeward. Once there was a way to get back home. Sleep pretty darling.
If you tell anyone about me, I will fucking haunt you, lad.
And I will sing a lullaby. Golden slumbers fill your eyes. Smiles awake you when you rise. Sleep pretty darling, do not cry. And I will sing a lullaby.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know what that was, but if we get it to 7,000 likes, it will be much appreciated. Now, I've made an Instagram. It's highly fucking unlikely, but if this Instagram gets more followers than my Twitter has in the next 24 hours, then I will follow every single person back. I swear on my life, if this Instagram gets more than 16,000 followers in the next 24 hours, I will follow every single one of you back. Thanks for watching, boys. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow.